Time I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back.
Vivo S19 Pro, a camera-centric phone, just launched. Fast refresh rate 1.5K AMOLED display, flagship grade processor, super slim in design, flagship camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo S19 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's start with the unboxing of the Vivo S19 Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual, SIM ejector tool, an 80-watt power adapter, a data cable, and a transparent case. Now, let's talk about the design and build of the Vivo S19 Pro. The phone comes in a misty blue color, which looks quite appealing. One of the most unique features of the Vivo S19 Pro is its Aura light, which is present not only on the back but also on the front. The back of the phone has an attractive texture with a ceramic-like effect. The phone features a 6.78-inch screen with a 120Hz curved display. It has a 1.5K resolution and 10-bit color depth. Additionally, it includes a hardware-level blue light filter and can reach a maximum brightness of 1200 nits. In comparison, the Vivo S19 has a flat screen. I'll be uploading the unboxing and review of the Vivo S19 tomorrow, so stay connected with our channel. Both phones have similar screen specs, but the S19 Pro has a curved screen, while the S19 has a flat screen. The Vivo S19 Pro is 7.58mm thick and weighs 192 grams. It is 74.93mm wide, making it easy to hold with one hand. Despite being slim and lightweight, it has a large 5,500 mAh battery. In a 3-hour endurance test, watching a 1080p video for 1 hour consumed 8% of the battery, and 30 minutes of social media use consumed 6% of the battery. Watching TikTok for 30 minutes consumes 5% of the battery. Playing King of Glory for 30 minutes uses 11% of the battery, and playing Genshin Impact for 30 minutes consumes 20% of the battery. The Vivo S19 Pro features an upgraded camera. It has a 50-megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX921 sensor, which has a sensor size of 56-inch. This sensor was developed jointly by Vivo and Sony. The main camera also has a large f1.88 aperture. The main sensor also supports optical image stabilization. Additionally, there is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX816 telephoto portrait lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. You can see sample photos here. Vivo's image style always looks realistic. The sunset photo looks quite beautiful with excellent detail. The telephoto camera also takes very good photos and supports 4x lossless zoom. Even at 10x zoom, the photo quality remains usable, with good detail. In this photo, the details are quite impressive. Another great feature is that you can utilize the full focal length in portrait photos. With the Vivo S19 Pro, you can capture portrait photos in 5 focal segments. This is a unique feature, as very few phones offer portrait photos in 5 focal lengths. You can use the 24mm, 35mm, and even get close to the human eye with the 50mm focal length. Additionally, the 85mm and 100mm focal lengths provide excellent results for capturing expressions and details. Not only that, but you can also capture portrait photos at night with the Vivo S19 Pro. Here, the crucial use of the back Aura light comes into play. Normally, capturing photos at full focal length in low light conditions requires studio-grade soft light. However, the Vivo S19 Pro provides soft light even at night. You can see the results of soft light at 24mm, 50mm, and 100mm focal lengths. The light adjusts according to the focal length, with shadows becoming bigger and bigger. The light is also more concentrated. So, in conclusion, with the Vivo S19 Pro, you can easily capture night-angle portrait shots with bright and clear results. The flash's color temperature adjusts automatically based on the environment, and the light effects are quite suitable. Talking about the front camera, it's a 50-megapixel main camera with autofocus and a JN1 sensor. It covers a 90-degree field of view and also features dual soft light, ensuring high-quality selfie photos. The role of dual soft light is quite effective for capturing selfies in low-light conditions. However, due to size limitations on the front, you may not get as bright a soft light as on the back. You can manually adjust the color temperature on the front, but perhaps with a software update, An auto-adjust feature for the front light may be added in the future. The Vivo S19 Pro also offers several software-level camera features, such as AI beautification, which is a common function found in many phones nowadays. In addition to AI beautification, the Vivo S19 Pro offers other AI photo features. You can generate various photos from different angles, and the effects can be quite unexpected. Here, you can see some samples of AI effects, showcasing the abundance of AI features in the photos.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you.
Speaking of performance, the Vivo S19 Pro is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor, indicating that the focus is not only on the camera but also on performance. After playing Genshin Impact at its highest settings for 30 minutes, the Vivo S19 Pro achieves an average frame rate of 57.2 frames per second, with power consumption reaching up to 5.8 watts. The front temperature reaches 42.4 degrees, while the back temperature reaches 41 degrees. Considering it's a camera-centric phone, such a good performance was unexpected. As for the price of the Vivo S19 Pro, the base variant starts at 39.99 Chinese yuan in China, which roughly £434 in UK and $553 US. In conclusion, the Vivo S19 Pro offers an outstanding camera, not just in terms of hardware but also with excellent camera software features. You can capture portrait photos at full focal length and enjoy superb AI features. Additionally, the phone delivers impressive performance and display quality. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.